Hey everyone, if you're new to investing and stock between Etoro and Trading212, I've got you covered. Let's break them down. First up, Etoro. It's a super popular platform with over 30 million users worldwide. What makes it stand out? Social trading. You can copy the moves of successful investors automatically. It's great for beginners who want to learn by following pros. Etoro offers stocks, ETFs, crypto, and more. But it has higher fees, like a $5 withdrawal fee and a 0.75% currency conversion fee for UK users. It's also got a cool academy with tutorials to help you get started. Next, Trading212. This UK-based app is all about keeping things cheap and simple. It's commission-free for stocks and ETFs with a tiny 0.15% currency conversion fee. You can start investing with just £1, perfect for newbies. Trading212 also offers a tax-free ISA account, which eToro doesn't have. It's got stocks, ETFs, and Forex, but no crypto. This app is easy to use, and there is a practice account to test your skills. So which is better? If you love crypto or want to copy pro traders, eToro is your pick. Its social features and crypto options are awesome, but fees are higher. If you want to keep costs low and start small, Trading212 wins. Its £1 minimum and free ISA are great for UK beginners. Both are safe, regulated by the FCA, and beginner friendly. For most new investors, Trading212's lower fees and simplicity make it the better choice. That's it. Let me know in the comments which platform you're leaning towards. Like and subscribe for more investing tips. See you next time. Thanks for watching.